Okay, today's question is draw a flowchart and create a Scratch program to find out the area of a triangle. Now you have already completed the flowchart. Starting should be in oval shape and ending should be in oval shape. You have given the height and base of the rectangle, of the triangle. So height and the base is there of a triangle. So how can we find out the area? We multiply the height and the base, then divide by 2, we will get the area of a triangle. Okay, so rectangle we get the height and base multiplying. So half of the rectangle is coming as a area of a triangle. That means area equal to height multiplied by base. That answer should be divided by 2. That is the area of a triangle. So therefore you have to input the height and input the base of the triangle. That means we are asking user to input the height and the base. Then we will do the processing part. This orange color one is the processing part. Then after processing, we will find out the area. Then area is going to display as output. The pink color paragraph is the output. Then area, this should be the area. I just copy the previous one. Name as a same name, area. Okay. Area equal height multiplied by base, that divide by 2. Then that answer should be, take it as output. Same way you have to name, that means if the A is starting capital, the output also A should start with the capital. Then finally end it. Okay, so now we'll see how to make the Scratch program. Okay, first we have to start. Comparing to this, the green color one, the start. So starting we got from the events. Okay, and we drag and drop it to here. Next, after starting, that means we are going to start the program. Then next step should be the ask. We have to input. What are the things we are going to input? We are going to ask the user to input height. Okay, input the height of a triangle. Input height of the triangle. Okay, then that height is needed to assign to a variable. We'll see how to do that. How can we assign this one into the variable, the user input values to the variable? Tell me. Okay, now I'm going to ask the user to assign. Now asking user to input the height. Then that value is going to assign to the variable. So now we have the variable. I'm going to select the set variable and going to call the value which was entered in the height. That means the previous blue color one. That means that is the answer. Therefore, I'm going to drag and drop this answer into this. When the user gives the answer, that answer is going to assign into variable. Okay, so what is the name of the variable? Okay, we have to assign the variable name as height. Okay, now try to complete up to this. So now we make the variable as create make a variable height. Okay, then give OK. Then select height from here. Likewise, take the base. go to the sensing, ask to input the input base of the triangle. Okay, and then again assign the variable, set the variable. It should be the base. We have to create another variable called base. Okay, give OK. Then select it from here, give the base. That also should be the given answer. Basic insert karam, that value is the one going to assign here. When the user insert the base of the triangle, it is the one going to take it as answer. Okay, everyone try to complete up to this. Our process is multiply the base and height, then divide by 2. Okay, so base and height, how can we take? We have the height is in the variable. I drag and drop it here, and the base also there. Now we have already multiplied. This answer needed to be divided by 2. So now we have the multiplication operation here. Operator is there. Then now we are going to divide. We'll again move to the operator and see whether there are division. Yes, this division can be taken here. Then this one drag and drop into the first part. We can divide by 2, can give the value 2 this side. Okay, just now we have taken the multiplication and the division. Now I'm going to drag and drop the variables, height, then base. This one needed to be added into the after putting it is removing. Just make the operator, then we can put it there. Okay, now this should be entered into the set because we are going to find out the value. Okay, now our process is like earlier one. We have taken the total last day. Likewise, today we are going to take the average with the set. Take this one. Instead of base, we have to make another one, that is area. Okay, last day total and average we have done. Now this variable area is going to equal to the multiplication of this one. Okay, this is the how we are going to set the process. Finally, we should take the output area.